Good morning, everyone. So, today's topic that we are going to discuss is about keyword analysis. This keyword analysis is in reference to the search engine optimization. Keyword analysis we are going to discuss once again when we get to the Google Ads concept also. When we are doing keyword analysis for ad purpose for the sponsored ad section, we will be looking at the prices, the keyword price, cost per click, etc. That we will discuss later when we come to the Google Ads module. So right now for search engine optimization, how would you finalize the best keywords for a company? That is the topic that we are discussing now. So keyword is the method through which the customer is trying to reach out to your business. So how is the customer searching? That is what you are trying to analyze here. And this can be done in three different steps. First, has to be brainstorming. Brainstorming is nothing but the knowledge transfer that you get from the client. So you have to sit with the client, talk to the client, and find out what are the best keywords that are suitable for their industry. And when you are taking the keywords from the client side, make sure that you are taking long tail keywords. You're not supposed to go for short tail keywords. I'm sure you all know that long tail keywords are anything which is more than 3 words. And also make sure that you're not picking up the local keywords like near me, nearby. So you have to be specific with the location and make sure that you are picking up some long tail keywords so that we get our keyword analysis perfectly. So let us do it. I'm taking a notepad. So assume that I'm working for a digital marketing agency. So generally what will be the keywords? That's what we will ask the client. So here right now I'm acting like a client. So I'm taking up my own keywords. Assume that I think that maybe my customer might search like this. Digital marketing agency in Hyderabad. Or maybe my client might also look for best digital marketing company in Hyderabad. Maybe top 10 digital marketing services in Hyderabad. So I'm picking up the keywords that my client has given. Guys, we don't stop at 2 or 3 keywords. Usually when you are doing it in the real time with the client on the other side, we will pick up all the keywords that client might suggest you. So even if they are more than 10, 20, whatever it is, please pick up all the keywords that your client is suggesting. Only thing you should keep in mind is the keyword should not be a localized keyword like near me, nearby, etc. And also it should not be a short tail keyword. It should be more than 3 words. So once you are done with the first step, so now we are done with brainstorming, that is picking up the keywords from the client side. Now we are going to get into the second step where we take keyword suggestions from Google through the autocomplete search results. I'm getting into Google. I'm using each keyword that I have selected from my client. So I take the first keyword, I put it on the browser. I'm not bothered about the results that I'm getting here, guys. I put my cursor here and see what Google actually is suggesting me. And among the suggested keywords, I would take the keywords which are relevant to my company. For example, here you can see top 10 digital marketing agency in Hyderabad, top digital marketing agency in Hyderabad, digital marketing companies in Hyderabad, jobs, which might not be required for me. I can leave this. Near me is not relevant. Best marketing agency in Hyderabad, but it is not too specific. I mean, it is too uh, generic. It is not a digital marketing agency they're talking about. Maybe traditional marketing also comes under this. So I don't prefer this. So you have to analyze each suggestion that Google is making. And whichever is suitable for you, you are picking the that particular keyword. So I have taken this keyword. These are Google suggestions. All are almost similar. So I'm fine with it. Let me use the second keyword now. Again, repeat the process. If your company is an MNC, then this can also be your keyword, digital marketing MNC companies in Hyderabad. If not, this won't be my keyword. So as I said, make sure that you are checking all the keywords suggested by Google and see if they are suitable to your company, then pick up those keywords also. I don't find anything new, so I'm good to go. I'll take my next keyword also. Nothing different, everything remains same. So I'm going with the 4 keywords that are finalized by me. Again, these are all not the fixed keywords that we are working on. Ma. It is just the second step that we completed. So we are done with the brainstorming. We are done with the Google autocomplete search results. Now, I want the more perfect keywords with proper data support. So how to get it done? We are going to use a keyword planner, a tool offered by Google, which is useful for analyzing the keywords and their performance. So you need to have a Google Ads account first. How to create a Google Ads account?